Hello, I'm Dr. SheilaJudge, physician and healer, and I'd like to speak to you a moment about energy and how you may be wasting all of your time and money, taking the wrong approach to giving yourself and restoring energy. So our energy is actually created for us in the heart of every single one of our cells. I'm sure you've heard the term in high school biology, mitochondria, that little part of the cell that produces our energy. But our cell needs to take in nutrients appropriately so that it can create the substances that are then sent out to the rest of the body for self-healing. So, when you wake up in the morning and you feel you need that cup of coffee, whatever form that takes, or you go through the day and you're flagging and you've got to keep that pot of coffee going in the office, that's not the way to correct your energy and give you energy. And there are some wonderful substances and herbs that are good for energy, but you can waste your money picking and choosing depending on the ad you see if they're not the right ones for you. My program in functional medicine investigates what is your genetic inheritance, what is your current state of physical health at the very cellular level, so that you don't waste your time and money on substances that are not going to produce energy for you, are not going to tap into the body's wonderful ability to heal itself once it's brought into balance. So that doesn't mean, though, that you can't have some wonderful coffee. In fact, you should look for a link I'll be sending you for some wonderful organic, purely processed and delicious coffee that you can enjoy a few times a week. But not getting into the trap of those energy drinks that just give you an artificial feeling that you're doing better, but you quickly go back to a baseline that's not in balance. So if you're interested in really getting to the heart of why you are dragging around instead of enjoying your life naturally, you can join my trauma healing group and learn more about these things. Or even better, if you're really ready, give me a call and see if my longer program, an intensive program in functional medicine, is that right next step for you. Okay.